Hello. It is an honor for me to be part of this beautiful project of translation of Slovenian and Paraguayan fairy tales, recently concluded with these printed books. It is important to mention the origins of this project. The idea came to life at the first Latin American and Caribbean Days 3 years ago, when a short film about the life and work of Dr. Bratislava Sušnik was presented. She was a historian, anthropologist, and linguistic, and without a doubt one of the most valuable persons that science had in Paraguay during the second half of the 20th century. She was the first researcher and the first woman awarded with the National Prize Science in 1992. This book are the proof of our common links, including through Slovenians who found their new home in Paraguay during the last centuries. We all know that fairy tales have a very special, significant cultural, historic, and symbolic place in every nation's conscience. They tell a particular story of the place, its history, people, and their beliefs, their understanding and their communications with other creatures in this and beyond this world. In this sense, I would like to mention that Paraguay has been inhabited for centuries with the large Tupi-Guarani family tribe. They did not build any big cities or impressive structures, but they lived from the natural resources and were very knowledgeable about medicinal properties of the plants. They perfected a very rich language, the Guarani language, that is still spoken today. And Paraguay is considered a bilingual country with Spanish and Guarani being their official languages. Guarani people transmitted their fears and beliefs through telling stories. There are many myths and legends that have developed through the years. One of the most known of these stories is the legend of Nyanduti, and this is the Nyanduti lace. This tale narrates about how the love of a mother came to create the most beautiful lace. So this example shows how myth and legends can reflect the country's cultural aspects. Paraguay maintained its identity by promoting their cultural roots of myth and legends, language, music, teaching generations to come. It is particularly significant that the fairy tales were chosen. This way we address children in particular. This is how we bring them to other worlds, other people, other culture and costumes that are different from their own, hopefully helping them widen their horizon, accept others, and see the immense richness that diversity brings into our lives. It is important to mention that the fact that students were involved as translators, which gave them the opportunity to learn something about Slovenia and Paraguay that most probably they would not otherwise. And most of all, this project paved the way for networking, further strengthening our contacts and relations, and to better understand two cultures separated by thousands of kilometers, yet with so many things in common. We are indeed part of the same human family. Thank you very much.